Good morning, everyone. My name is Ferdinando Bosco, and I am a technical manager and research development department in engineering. In the Platone project, I'm responsible of the design of the Platone Open Framework, the solution designed by the Platone project for assessing the digitalization of the energy sector. The energy sector is facing an important change, switching from classical electrical grid to modernized smart grid that uses information and communication technologies to improve energy efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. It allows for the integration of renewable energy sources, electric vehicles, and other distributed energy resources to the grid. The energy sector is switching from a system in which few big players will be replaced by many small players, for example, the integration of the customer as active player. The electrical flow is no more unidirectional, but comes from multiple localized energy networks. And last but not least, software systems are more open, interoperable, and standardized. At the center of this process is for sure the distribution network. So the DSO is the main actor for this digitalization. The majority of the new energy sources are and will be connected all together in the local network. Flexibility is a key resource in a scenario in which the grid is more and more decentralized. The digitalization of the energy sector demands higher levels of operational excellence with the adoption of disruptive technologies and open solutions to foster cross-domain data sharing and data-driven innovation. Open source approach, for example, can be a game changer for the digitalization of the energy grid. They enable collaboration and innovation, which can lead to faster, more efficient, and cost-effective solutions. Open source software can be customized to fit the specific needs of utility and can be integrated with other systems in a very simple way. This means that utilities can leverage open source solutions to improve their operation, reducing the cost and enhancing the customer experience. In addition, blockchain technology has the potential to transform the energy sector by enabling more secure, transparent, and efficient energy transition and management. It can also enable the integration of renewable energy sources and the creation of the decentralized energy grid, which are essential for achieving a more sustainable and resilient energy system. Now we can introduce how this disrupting technology can be used for addressing this digitalization of the energy grid and how we used it in the Platone project. A blockchain is a data structure that links together a list of records named blocks using the cryptographic hash of the previous block. A blockchain is completely decentralized and managed by a peer-to-peer network of nodes following specific rules for communication and validation, coming a public distributed ledger. The main characteristics of the blockchain are by design, let's say, are intrinsic in the blockchain technology. The blockchain is secure because all the transactions are registered and immutable inside the blockchain blocks. The blockchain is reliable because all the information are reported in a precise order and time-stamped. The blockchain is trustable because the technology avoids the data losing and the manipulation by design. The blockchain is decentralized because there is no central control. And it's completely transparent because the network is accessible and available to everyone that would like to participate. So how the blockchain can be a game changer for digitalization of the energy sector? Blockchain technology has this potential because can be applied in several ways in the energy sector applied to the smart grid. For example, for peer-to-peer energy trading, in which blockchain technology can enable secure and transparent transactions between all the parties involved in the energy trading without the need of a central intermediary. For example, for the energy supply chain management, in which blockchain technology can enable the tracking of the energy supply chain management for both energy generation and consumption. Blockchain technology can also enable the creation of decentralized energy grids, which are more resilient and secure than centralized ones. And energy data management, in which blockchain technology can enable secure and transparent management of the energy data. So we can say that the blockchain technology is very aligned with the change of the smart grid, the decentralization of the smart grid, because the blockchain is a decentralized technology that covers the moving from a centralized power system to a decentralized one. So we can apply easily the blockchain technology in this big change of the power system. Now we can see how Platone project uses blockchain technology in order to provide its core solution, the Platone Open Framework. The Platone Open Framework is the Platone project technical solution for addressing the digitalization of the energy sector, placing the needs of the local distributor in the center, offers then a complete open source framework. At the same time, the Platone Open Framework takes into consideration the involvement of all energy stakeholders at any level, with three key objectives. It's enable a secure energy data sharing, ensuring the data ownership and governance. It allows standard and flexible integration of external solutions, for example, existing legacy system, and any kind of external services. It can create a fair flexibility market involving all the energy stakeholders, including also the customers. So, which are the main characteristics of this Platone Open Framework? It's completely open. It could be extended and integrated with external services providing standard interfaces. It's flexible in terms of integration with already existing solutions. And for sure, it's secure for data handling using blockchain technology for data certification and integrity, but also for data interoperability using standard communication protocol and following data security and data privacy best practices. The open source approach was fundamental for the implementation and the reusage of the Platone Open Framework. The open source provides better visibility, facilitating the reuse of the results. It paves the road for the Platone Open Framework becoming a valuable asset for DSOs and their operation. And it allows to engage customers and other energy stakeholders, creating a community with strong relationship and common goals. Now, we can go a little bit in detail in the Platone Open Framework solution. As we said before, the Platone Open Framework is completely open source and made available as a modular framework. Any DSOs or energy stakeholder can decide to use the entire framework as a unique solution or to use one of the core platforms integrated in the Platone Framework. The market platform, enabling an open and fair flexibility market that involves any possible market participants, DSOs, TSOs, aggregator, customer, and in which all the market operations are registered and certified within the blockchain, ensuring transparency, security, and trustworthiness among the participants. The blockchain access layer that provides a standard interface for the integration of the energy data coming from the metering and offers a common data source, the shared customer database, for allowing the access of all energy data to any energy stakeholder in an easy and shared way, without compromising security and privacy. Last but not least, the Platone DSO technical platform, that is an open source extensible microservices platform that allows DSOs to manage the distribution grid in a secure, efficient, and stable manner. The DSO technical platform is an evolution of the Sonio platform that has been accepted in the well-recognized International Linux Foundation Energy. The Platone Open Framework was tested and validated in LWTH lab, but also in 3 real field tests in Italy, Greece, and Germany. As we said, the Open Framework is completely open source and public available in our GitLab repository that you can find here using our QR code. So thank you everyone and goodbye.